That's funny, convict. I don't recall giving you access to our database.
Just keeping up on current events, Captain. Seems this Queen of Blades got everybody running scared. She don't look so tough.
You have no idea who she is, do you, Tychus?
Don't matter to me none.
Well, it matters to Jim. They were close once.
Wait a minute. You're telling me they were shacked up?
Apparently she was something else. Before the Zerg took her. Turned her into that.
And Jimmy feels responsible.
Honestly, if we have to face her again, I don't know what he'll do.
Woman like that, there's only one thing to do.
I caught Tychus hacking into our database, sniffing around about Kerrigan. I don't know what his game is, but we clearly can't trust him.
Matt, me and Tychus ran together a long time. Got in all sorts of trouble. When the law finally caught up, he took the rap for both of us. Never once ratted me out. I got a second chance. He got locked up.
I understand your loyalty, sir, but...
I owe him, Matt. Leave it be.
Yes, sir.
Your Mobius buddies ever happen to mention that the Queen of Blades wants these artifacts too?
Hey, they just give me the missions, man. What's it matter anyway? Putting that bitch down would be doing everyone a favor.
I thought it was just about the money with you, Tychus.
Nothing says I can't do my part for humanity and get paid well for my trouble.
Right.
This is Donnie Vermillion live from UNN. Tonight, we're going to discuss the infamous Queen of Blades. Scientists and military insiders have long speculated that the enigmatic alien is, in fact, an infested human.
That's right, Donnie. Is it possible that the leader of the Zerg has a human heart?
More importantly, Kate, could this mean some kind of Terran-Zerg alliance is possible?
Donnie, there's never been any evidence at all to suggest that infested humans retain their free will.
You make a good point, Kate. The question is then, how do we kill her?
That's one I think we all can agree on. If humanity is to survive, the Queen of Blades needs to be eliminated.
Lots of folks ready to fight. For the right price.
That Zerg woman seemed to know you. She really rattled you, didn't she?
Me and her, well, we go back a ways. She was a ghost once. Back then, we were hooked up with Mengsk and fighting to get rid of the old Confederacy. We made a pretty good team.
What happened to her?
She was a casualty of war. No offense, Doc, but I really don't like to talk about it.
I understand. If you ever change your mind, I'm here.
I've been hearing strange stories from the crew of late. Unexplained noises, strange visions, voices in the dark. Rumor has it these things are haunted.
Superstitious nonsense. These artifacts are completely inert and they're contained down here in the lab. There is some trace radiation, but I don't see how they could affect things elsewhere on the ship.
Heaven forbid we run across alien tech that messes with our primitive little monkey brains. Just keep a close eye on them, Doc.
All right, sir? Confronting Kerrigan again after all these years.
We've got to stop her, Matt. No matter what she's after.
Well, we gave her a setback today. The artifacts are obviously important to her. I just wish we knew why.
I hear the mighty Jim Raynor's on the move, but short on funds. The planet Redstone's got the most valuable minerals around, and with the Zerg invasion, the Kelmorians backed up and left it all behind. Some enterprising men could turn a big profit there. Meet me at Redstone if you want a piece of the action.
Redstone. Heck of a place. I ever mention how much I hate volcanic planets?
Good to see you made it. They call me Tosh. You help me mine the minerals I need, and I'll make it worth your while.
What's the catch?
Well, this place is a little unstable. The low ground gets flooded with lava every few minutes. Of course, that's where the richest mineral nodes are found. But that'll be no problem for a big, tough guy like you.
Sir, I'm also picking up Zerg biosignatures on the surface. We'll need to spend some of what we mine just to defend the operation. The more we spend, the longer this is gonna take.
Lava and Zerg. Two of my favorite things. Let's do this.
Bad news? I'm going. Gotcha. Well, butter my biscuit. Go ahead.
Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
Lava's rising. Get those SCVs to high ground. Right now.
Add-on complete.
Been waiting on you. Ah! You scared me! It's your dime.
All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations.
This counter shows the estimated time until the next lava surge. Move all units and structures to high ground when a surge is imminent.
You gonna give me orders?
got some friends coming to help you out. Reapers.
Reapers, you say? Hell, cowboy, we gotta train more of these guys. They're seriously badass.
Fear the Reaper, man. Got something for me to kill. Agreed. Yes, indeed. Oh, that's all? Fair enough. Let's do this. Certainly. Go, go, go!
Just a reminder, sir. The more minerals we expend on forces, the longer it's going to take to reach our goal. Try to be economical.
On the way. Nothing I can't handle.
Some of my boys disappeared in this area. Want to see if they're still alive.
Tosh sent you to help? About time. Let's finish up this contract and get the hell off this planet.
Oh, that's all? Sir, have me some fun. What, you want something? On the way. Agreed. Fear the Reaper, man. What's it worth? Fair enough. Yes, indeed.
Sir, scanners show a large biosignature close to your position, a Brutalisk, I think. If you could kill it, that'd get our research off to a flying start.
Nothing I can't handle.
Mineral field depleted.
All right. Yeah, baby. So, that's all? Yes, indeed. Let's do this.
This better be good.
On the way.
Base is under attack.
Nothing I can't handle. Certainly. I'm going. Agreed. Oh yeah, baby. Fair enough. Oh, that's all? Alright. Done. Want some? Let's do this. Yes, indeed. On the way. Agreed. Done. Yes, indeed. I'm going. Fair enough. Alright. Nothing I can't handle. Certainly. Nothing I can't handle. Oh, that's all? Death from above. Oh yeah, baby. Agreed. Fair enough.
Seismic activity is increasing. Caution is advised.
I'm going.
Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
Scared me!
What's it worth?
What's going on?
In the rear with the gear.
All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations.
All right. Yes, indeed.
Mineral field depleted.
Death from above. Man. Reaper Man is owned.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Since you're doing right by me, I'll do right by you. Here's the coordinates of the nearest minerals.
That's all? I'm going.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
All right. Got something from Fear the Reaper Man. Nothing I can't handle. Certainly. Agreed. Let's do this. On the way. Yes,
Mineral field depleted.
I'm going. Done. Nothing I can handle. All right. Fair enough.
Almost done, Mr. Rena. Just a few more minerals to go.
Done. Agreed. Nothing I can't handle.
Base is under attack.
I'm going. All right. Fair enough. Oh, yeah, baby. Certainly. Yes, indeed. On the way. Yes, indeed. Oh, yeah, baby. Nothing I can't handle. Certainly. Fair enough.
Bad news?
Mineral field depleted.
Will do. Go ahead. In the rear with the gear.
Seismic activity is increasing. Caution is advised. Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
All right, boys, nice work. We got what we came for. Now let's get out of this hellhole.
Finished already? We are as good as they say, Mr. Rena. I'm thinking you and I got a lot more business we could be talking about.